Welcome students to the online class Standard 8th Subject Science. Lesson number 4, Current, Electricity and Magnetism. Let us see the topics that we are going to cover in this slide. First one is lead acid cell. Second one is NICD cell. Third one is simple circuit. Let us learn about all this in detail. So student, as you can see in the above figure, it depicts the design of lead acid cell. Okay, let us examine its principle. This type of cell can be recharged after getting electrically discharged. The lead acid cell contains a lead electrode and a lead oxide electrode. As you can see in the above picture, it is shown both, and both are dipped in dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, as you can see, it has been given with its chemical name H2SO4. Okay, PbO2 carries a positive charge while the Pb electrode carries a negative charge. So student, as you can see in the diagram, it is shown Pb with negative charge and PbSO2 with positive charge. Okay. So student, the potential difference between these two is nearly 2 volt. Okay, because of the chemical reaction between the substance in the cell, electrical charge is produced on both electrodes and electric current flows through the load. Example, the bulb glows in the circuit. Okay students, so this kind of electric cell have a capacity to deliver large current. Hence, lead acid cells are used in cars, trucks, motorcycle and uninterrupted power supplies UPS. As you can see in the above diagram, I have given you the examples also how actually this lead acid cells look like. Okay. So student, further we are going to see nickel cadmium storage cell, which is also known as NICD cell. Okay, so these days a variety of gadgets are available which are required to be carried to different places. So such a gadgets used NICD cells. These cells deliver 1.2 volt potential difference and are chargeable. And in the above slide, you can see the picture of nickel cadmium storage cell or NICD cell. So student, further we are going to see electric circuit. Okay, in that two things come. The first one, we are going to see the simple electric circuit, as you can see in the above figure, and the second one which we are going to see is the cell holder, as you can see in the above figure I have shown. Student, when a cell holder, an electric bulb and a plug key are connected by wires as shown in the above figure, as you can see in the above figure, it is shown how the batteries, the wires and the bulb are connected to each other. Okay, in the simple circuit diagram, as you can see. Okay, and the dry cells is fitted in the holder. Then the bulb lights up by closing the plug key. This means that a current flows through the circuit and the bulb lights up. Okay, on the removal of the cell, the electric current flowing through the circuit stops as indicated by the bulb which ceases to glow. This type of connections of an electrical component is called electrical circuit. So student, a circuit diagram is shown as you can see in the above slide in this manner. Okay, and cell is shown with the symbol of plus and minus sign. Okay, an electrical circuit is also used in home supply, as we all know that the circuit which is being used or shown in the above slide, it is being used in every place, in home supply, in outside made or anywhere else. Okay, here I have shown the simple one, and the different places according to its use the circuit is been complicated. Okay student, the electric supply is made from outside instead of electric cell. You will learn about it later. Thank you.